Ishaani, and today I'll be singing the song Golden from the movie K-pop Demon Hunters. I was a ghost, I was alone, ha, doing, ha, guess okay, ha, given the throne, I didn't know, ha, to believe, I was the queen that I'm meant to be, I lived two lives, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place, call it problem child, cause I got to wow, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Put up cheat on stage, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe. We're going up, 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 and down on it. Together we're growing, gonna be golden. Oh, up, 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 and down voices. You're gonna get in the woman. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. All our time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. Cause we are artists, voices strong, and I know I believe. We're going up, 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 and down on it.